Hi everyone, thank you for watching. In today's video is very special for me, where I am featuring my very first Philippine South Sea Pearl jewelry unboxing. So before we get unboxing, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome. And if you are new to my channel, my name is May Katlaya. I love shopping vlogs, unboxing reviews, and if you love them too, I'd love if you subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. This is it mga guaps, our package at DHL from all the way from the Philippines. And I'm quite surprised because it only took 3 days to arrive here in Europe. Isn't it amazing? Buti pa nga from Philippines 3 days lang, and where if mag-order ako sa Amazon here within Europe, for example in Germany, it takes like mga 2 to 3 days also. But as you can imagine, this is from halfway around the globe, and it only takes 3 days. Wow, that's really fast. Unbox na tayo, and so here it is. Here it is, guys. Oh my god. So I purchased this jewelries direct in Palawan, where you can find special pearls like South Sea Pearls. I am so excited to get this early Christmas present for myself. Really well deserved reward, as since I worked so hard this year. So well deserved talaga, guys, na bilhan natin ng ating sarili ng gift, you know. And you really deserve to get something special, something worthy for yourself, especially. And okay, let's start na. Sige lang akong start. Sige lang start, pero hindi pa nag-start. So okay, there's laman ng maliit na package na to is may dalawang boxes at and of course mayroon din kasama itong envelope, which is I think certificate. Yeah, the certificate of authenticity. Tatlo siya dahil I purchased 3 items. So ayan. By the way, guys, she's a legit seller or pearl sellers, jewelry seller. So unahin natin ang smaller one. So this is it mga guaps. So yan, this is our South Sea Pearl stud earrings. Ang kulay niya is South Sea Pearl white, but medyo may pagka silvery, grayish white siya, guys. What do you think? And of course in white gold settings. And I'm not into white gold. Mas mahilig ako sa yellow gold, but since our choker is in white gold setting, so I chose for white gold for this one. Okay, let's gonna try it on. By the way, the size of these earrings is in 12 mm or 12 millimeter. So it is in a screw type lock. So wag natin masyadong masakit. So ayan. Ang ganda niya, guys. As you can see, my ears are so tiny. So nababagay lang ang size niya sa tenga ko. So that's it, guys. So this is how it looked like, the 12mm high luster South Sea Pearl. Ang grade niya is AAA to AAAAA. So very minimal blemishes, or wala nga akong nakikitang blemishes eh. Pero may konting fish bite. So I think that's only normal for this 3A. I was confused if I have to choose for 14 or 13mm, since as you can see, ang liit talaga ng tenga ko, and I think this will just really fit on my ears. As you can see, guys, na maliit siya, or bagay lang talaga. If I will take the 14mm, siguro malaki, masyadong malaki tingnan, and heavy siya, guys. Pearls are heavy, they're heavy, guys. Para siyang metal. Hindi ko inakala na mabigat pala ang pearls. First time ever na nakahawak ng pearls. So, mabigat siya, guys. So, ayan ang ating earrings, stud earrings. Ang ganda niya. I'm so happy. First time nakapag-suot ng pearls. So, the next small box natin is ring. Yes. So this is the white South Sea Pearl ring in 14mm. So this is how 14mm look like. Ayan, mas malaki nga siya kaysa earring ko, diba? And in gold setting, yellow gold setting. Kasi diba, hindi ako mahilig talaga sa white gold. And then iba pag ring, kasi pag sinusuot na natin, kitang-kita. And I want it in really yellow gold. So I got it. This is it, guys. So beautiful. This is also a high luster ring, high luster pearl. So ang grade niya is AA. Same lang lahat, guys. So as you can see, napaka flawless niya. Wala akong nakikitang blemishes. Very smooth. Very smooth. And ang ring natin is medyo makapal siya, guys. As you can see, makapal siya. Let me focus. As you can see, mas malaki siya compare sa earring natin, di ba? So, ang ganda. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I have to enjoy wearing all these pearls. I did not really purchase it for investment. It's just I have to wear it to enjoy it. And anyway, South Sea Pearl or buying authentic jewelries are good investment. They're good investment, guys. Jewelries, they are safe and stable investment if you are more on investing. So I'll tell you that authentic jewelries is really a good investment. So guys, the next is this one, the most expensive one, which is our necklace, our choker. Oh my god, I can't wait. Super duper excited. Paano ba to i-open? Oh my god, I'm so... First time kasi, guys. Ayan na. So this is it, mga guaps. My gosh, this is it. So, this is it, mga guaps. So beautiful. This is in 11.5 to 13 mm. Yung size ng pearls niya. Pearls. So, try na natin. Because I can't wait na. Ayan na guys. This is it guys. I'm super duper happy with my Christmas gift. So ayan, this is how it look like guys. Our choker, I think 18 inches na choker. Hindi siya gaano kaliit or sikip. Okay lang. Tamang-tama lang talaga yung size niya sa akin. So for me, I'm so satisfied with these items. Ang ganda niya guys. My God, ang bigat. Yes, it's so heavy. Yes, it's so heavy guys. Ayan na. Nandito na ang aking asawa. Pabalik ako guys.
Few moments later.
So, ayan na mga guaps na overexcited na gajud ko. Oh my gosh. Nagbisaya gajud. Ay, naglibog na ko guys. Magbisaya, magtagalog, mag-English. It's because my viewers are not only Filipinos. So, mag-Cebuano, mag-Tagalog, mag-English. Ayoko mag-German. Nakakahiya. By the way guys, I'm really happy with these pieces. I-share ko sa inyo guys why I start collecting authentic jewelries. It's because guys, gold are getting expensive. Hindi bumababa ang value niya. Or investing on currencies, you can see na ang gold is always stable siya. So it's really a smart way to buy or invest on gold or on jewelries. Basta mga authentic lang guys. So, mayroon kasing mga tao na they are very on luxury things na, for example, they invest on accessories like Chanel necklace. Compare natin, for example, they are using not really high quality materials. They're using not even a real gold material or not a real pearl, but the price are so expensive. Pero hindi natin sila mako-compare kasi nga Chanel is Chanel, very expensive ang brand na yan. But let's be practical. It's practical to buy something na may worth siya, na pwede mo siya, maisanla mo sila guys. So in times of emergency, for example, you need money that moment at wala ka pang pera, then pwede mo maisanla ang mga alahas mo, your jewelry, pawn it, and it will save you. So hindi ka magkautang, okay? So, for me also, that's one of the reason bakit ako nagko-collect for future. Another reason is these pieces of jewelry could be passed on many generations. So, maipapasa ko sila for my future grandchildren. Diba? So, it's not only with jewelries, also my purses, like my Lady Dior bags or Louis Vuitton, maipapasa ko sila, at least may maipamana ako. So, give yourself or buy yourself a present dahil you deserve it, you work hard on it. So, minsan, bibilhan naman natin ang ating sarili ng precious thing. Anyway guys, investing on Philippine South Sea Pearl, they may be more expensive than other pearls. Dahil ang South Sea Pearl talaga is rare siya and they are expensive. So, it's because of their unique sizes. Mas malaki sila compared to other kind of pearls. Mayroong mga Akoya pearls, mga freshwater pearls. But for me, I want to have a South Sea Pearls. And nakaka-proud din kasi Philippine South Sea Pearl. Galing pa talaga sa Pilipinas. And ayan, I like it and I really enjoy it. So I'm so happy with these pieces, guys. So I hope I gave you an idea about buying yourself gifts on Christmas. So that's all pretty much for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. I love to share my purchase with you, mga guaps. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!